Hello, I'm Angela from Korea Tourism College. Welcome to my Amazing Things About Korean Culture educational series. My purpose is to share the knowledge with you. Let's get started. My topic is butte. A butte is a fan held in the hand. It is very useful in summer because it is very hot in Korea. Butte are, in general, divided into two kinds: the round type and the folding type. For the round butte, the frame is made of regularly spaced, rigid, thin bamboo strips, and paper or cloth is glued on the frame. The other type of butte was called jul butte, a folding fan. Its bamboo strips are pasted only with paper, so it folds and unfolds easily. When folded, it is easily portable because it is shaped like a rod. The butte has been widely used in Korean daily life. At first, it was used only to produce cool air. However, gradually it was used for many other purposes. In addition, they were used as small accessories for dancing, as seen in the butte dance. Thank you for watching my video. 감사합니다.